in that Apollo rod bend, baby. Come on, Reds. Apollo rods. Got myself a big ugly on an AM lure. He feels like he's getting close. Yeah, he's right here.
Yeah?
Yeah.
My boy.
Never mind. Never mind. Oh shit.
Don't. Right in the swimmer.
No, you're too low. Oh!
Morning friends, Sam, Come On Reds Fishing here in Roy City again today. Today's December 28th. This might be the last trip of the year for us guys. We might try to squeeze out one more for the new year, but in case it is, we just want to say thank you for all the support you've shown us in 2019, and we look forward to a lot more fishing in 2020. It is very windy today. It's very 7 a.m. and we got about 20-25 mile-an-hour winds coming out of the south-southeast. So that means we'll have a good drift, but there will be wind in this video, letting you know now. Let's get out there, get some lures, and we might even throw some bait out there today in the flats. Come on, Reds.
Okay. Oh, it's a red. Are you recording? Are you recording? I saw the body, man. It's a big one. Yeah, it's a red.
Yeah. It's a keeper for sure.
Possible oversized.
Nah, he's a keeper. He's trying to spit that.
Pink punch, man. On the pink punch.
Second cast.
Second cast with a pink punch. I can scoop him right here.
That works. Scoop him. He came this way.
No. Your line got caught. I didn't want to do that. Pull it.
Oh yeah.
Hell yeah, dude. Hell yeah.
Wow. Oversized. Way to go.
Hell yeah, man. Second cast on pink punch.
Second cast on the pink punch. Mark scored a big old solid red. Come on, Reds. 26-27.
Set. Woo, baby. Yeah, baby. Oh, man.
Hell yeah. Come on, Reds. Oh, nice red. Big red. Come on, Reds, baby. Hi, boy. Another oversized, right? Oh, yeah, he's in a slot. Whoa.
He's trying to throw that hook.
Okay, you're gonna get it? Yes, sir! Whoa! Another big one. Yeah, no, he's in a slot. Woo! Hell yeah, Mark!
Another on that pink punch. Come on, Reds, baby.
Yeah. Tell us how you caught it.
Just jigging up and down, man. Apollo rods, 7-day addiction, AM lure. Look at that. Look at it. It's coming out his mouth.
Very good. Come on, Reds.
Damn, that's fucking sick. bleed him.
There it is. This is a bigger one. Taking line. I'm gonna go to the back. Big 27 at least. At least 25. I'm gonna throw this off plastic. I'll leave this here if you want to use it. I'll leave this here if you want to use it. Pretty brutal. I'm already tired. Is on con la pinche spoon. Oh crap, it's a big enough. She's got one on the spoon. Hell yes. Oh, it's a big one. Oh shit. You're getting all of that fight. Not even 5 minutes with that spoon, people. Oh, it's big. Oh my god! Oh my god! Chito got one con la pinche spoon. Look how you hooked him, man.
Damn, look at that.
He was not getting off.
To the outside?
Yeah, to the outside.